Hello guys, here I have Google Pixel Watch and I have a trouble with it. The microphone is working at very low volume, so other person cannot hear me well on the other side when I make a call. So what we're gonna do? If you look closely, you can see here one porthole on the left, speaker side, and one porthole on the right, crown side. So in order to determine where is the microphone, I press on the crown to bring applications. I go to messages. I pick a person and I create a voice message. I press on the microphone. Now I can record the voice message. I will blow to the crown side and next I will blow to the speaker side. Crown side, speaker side. So next I send the message. Once it is sent, you can hear it on the watch.
Crown side, speaker side.
Okay, so these tests let you know what microphone is on the crown side. So I will show you next how I clean that, but if you want to repeat this, you are doing this on your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage. So I took the needle and I looked closely at the porthole. This hole was full of dirt, so I was gently picking with the needle until the porthole started to look black, because before it was just gray. So, and at the end, when it's clean, you can introduce the needle like millimeter and a half, maybe 2. But the general rule, you don't force it. You're doing this very gently. So that's it. And at the end, we can make a test. Start the phone application, pressing on the crown, scrolling down. There is the phone. Now you need to make a call and check with other person if they can hear you well. In my case, the person confirmed what they can hear me very well.